Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. This process will also remove a screen lock if you have one you don't know, but it will be a bit trickier. If you know your pattern or screen lock, you can simply turn it off normally. But if you don't know it, you'll need to perform a key combination. Hold power and volume down until the device turns off, then switch to holding power and volume up. I'll quickly lock the device so you can see I have a pattern, and I'll proceed as though I don't know it. Additionally, you'll need a cable plugged into your computer, which I already have connected. From the pattern screen, hold power and volume down, then switch to volume up once it turns off. When you see the Samsung logo, let go and wait for recovery mode to appear. Use the volume keys to navigate down to wipe data factory reset, confirm with power, then select factory data reset again. Once it completes, you'll see Data Wipe Complete at the bottom, and Reboot System Now will be selected by default. Press power to initiate the reboot, and you can unplug the cable. This will take a couple minutes, just be patient. Once finished, you'll see the Android setup screen and can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.